If you really want to customize the Windows 11, then Windhawk is probably the best option out there. So in this video, I want to show you guys best Windhawk mods to customize Windows 11. Windhawk is a free and open source software, and this is the official website, windhawk.net. You can go here and download this. Once you download it, open it, and here you just need to download the mods that you want to use. Mods can be downloaded by going into Explore option, and from here you can find and install different mods. There are many mods that you can download, and almost every mod is actually useful, okay, depending on how you want to customize or what types of functionality you want to add or change. Now let me show you guys my favorite Windhawk mods to customize Windows 11. First one, Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. If you go into the details after downloading this, you can go to settings, and from here you can change the theme of the taskbar. So right now it's set to none, which means default. I can have a translucent taskbar. I can select that and save changes. Now there is a transparency in the taskbar, and there are many other themes that you can choose from. Like for example, dock-like, just like that. Okay, my wallpaper is dark. Let me actually change the wallpaper so you guys can see it properly. So you can see here, and there is a simply transparent, which means fully transparent, and there are many other themes to choose from. Okay, I actually prefer the simply transparent or dock-like or translucent. And if you go into details, you can actually see what each themes looks like. Next mod is Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. You'll see different start menu themes that you can choose from. So to choose the start menu, you can go to settings. Right now, this is the default Windows 11 start menu, and I'm gonna go and change it to translucent. Okay, and I'm gonna save. And here you can see it has the transparency effect now, which looks cool and matches with the transparent taskbar. You can even get the Windows 10 start menu. So if I go and select the Windows 10 in themes and save changes, now I have the Windows 10 start menu. If you have the latest Windows 11 start menu, then you may have to go and change the layout from category to list. And after that, it will look just like Windows 10 start menu. And there are many other start menu to choose from. Next, Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Same as the taskbar and start menu styler, you can customize the notification panel. This is the default notification panel. Here, I can go to settings and change theme to translucent and save. Here, I have the same transparency effect as the start menu. They match now, or there are other themes to choose from. Next is Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Same as the other ones, you can customize the Windows File Explorer. There are different themes to choose from, so whichever you prefer, you can go with that. Again, for this one too, I also like the translucent. This basically makes the top bar of the File Explorer a little bit transparent. Next one, Taskbar Volume Control. This one is actually a cool one, probably the best one in my opinion. You enable it, go to details, settings, and change the different settings if you need to. By default, once you enable it, you can hover your mouse over to your taskbar and adjust the volume with the middle mouse scroll button, just like that. It's so much better than going into the notification panel and changing the volume. Next one is Taskbar Tray System Icon Tweaks. Using this, you can hide different icons on your taskbar that you can't hide. Like for example, hide volume icon. Let me move myself over here. I'm gonna select that and I'm gonna save changes. Now that volume or speaker icon is gone. Let's enable it again, and you can see it's back. So on, you can hide network icon, you can hide battery icon, microphone icon. Next one is Taskbar on top for Windows 11. This one is also really cool. So as you guys know, in Windows 11, you can't move taskbar to top, left, or right. It stays at the bottom. Okay. In Windows 10, we could move taskbar wherever we want. So with this mod, you can move taskbar to the top. Yeah, and it actually works flawlessly. If you open the start menu, yeah, the start menu will shift to the top and match with the top taskbar. Okay, and you can start searching and all that. If you open app or minimize, close, the animations also go there. Next one is taskbar clock customization. Using this, you can customize the clock on your taskbar. Let me show you guys here. I can go into settings, and first I need to enable it. And from here, I can set up what I want to show in taskbar clock section. So this is the clock area, and you can see there is a time and date. That's it. But when I enable it, there is a lot more. There is a CPU and RAM monitor, download and upload speed, clock. You can write anything that you want. Okay, I have written my name here, KB, you can see, and there is even a time. You can put emojis, icon, whatever you want here. Basically, you can customize this thing however you want. But to customize it, you'll have to go into settings and change each section here, what you want to customize. Like for example, on top line, I have written my name with 2 hearts, okay, and then I have the icon for up and icon for down. This is download and upload speed. So basically we have to add these commands in here, and you can find the commands easily in details. Okay, every command that you can use. Okay, for upload speed, you can use this. Download speed, you can use this. CPU usage, use this. RAM usage, use this. Okay, next one, customize Windows notification placement. This one is also really cool. As you guys know, when we get notification on Windows, we get the notification to the bottom left side. Okay, so this is usually where it appears. But using this, you can change the location to wherever you want. Okay, we can move it to right, left, or center. Okay, and you can also change the vertical placement. You can make notification appear from top instead of bottom, which actually makes sense. So when you open the notification panel, here you can see the notifications go from top to bottom. Okay, we can see the history and everything. So we can set the notification to appear on top. So we can select that, save, and now the notifications will appear on top. So let me actually do something here so the notification will appear. Okay, you can see at the top, I took the screenshot, the notification came from top. Next, classic context menu on Windows 11. This is the right-click menu on Windows 11. Okay, modern, but most of the time to do some things, we have to click on show more options, and it will show you the old context menu. So instead of clicking on show more option, why not have just the classic start menu? So using this, you can simply get this mod and enable it. You have the classic right-click menu. Now there are many other ways to enable classic context menu in Windows 11, but since you're using Windhawk to customize other things, why not just enable it from here? So this is like all-in-one app to customize almost every single thing on Windows 11. Next one is better file sizes in Explorer details. You know, in Windows Explorer, the size of the file shows up in the kilobyte. But what if you could just quickly see the gigabyte without selecting it? Once you select it, if you have the preview pane enabled, you can actually see the gigabyte too. But what if you could see the gigabyte here in under size? So you can get this mod, enable it, and now you can see the file size is in now gigabyte. Next one is Alt+Tab per monitor. This one is also really useful if you use Alt+Tab a lot and if you have multiple monitors. So as you guys know, if you do Alt+Tab on Windows, it shows all the apps that are opened on multiple monitors. So it doesn't matter in which monitor you do the Alt+Tab, all the opened apps will appear. Okay, now take a look at this. Okay, I have OBS Studio to record this, and I have magnifier and these 4 apps. 2 of them are in my second monitor actually. So I don't want that to appear when I do Alt+Tab on my first monitor. So I can get this mod, enable it. Now if I do Alt+Tab, there are only 2 apps opened in my main monitor, and those are the only 2 monitors that will show up now. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I find this mod really useful actually. So these are my personal favorite Windhawk mods to customize the Windows 11. But again, there are many other mods that you can download, and every single mod is actually useful. It depends on what you want to customize and what functionality you want to add or remove. Like for example, middle click to close on the taskbar. Using this mod, you can close any application by middle clicking it with your mouse. You can also turn off the change extension warning. Sometime, when you change the extension of certain file, Windows will ask for confirmation or warning. So you can skip that. Okay. So again, as I said, almost every single mod in here are useful. Okay. It depends on what you want to customize and what functionality you want to add. So yeah, that's it for this one. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.